Hey guys, it's Elena with The Organized Money and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Elena and I do life and money organization videos. So that's videos on planning, productivity, organization, and managing money. If that interests you, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button as I would love for you to be a part of our little family. Today's video is going to be another plan with me. We are currently planning the week of the 29th through the 4th of November. And I am doing something a little bit different this plan with me. I'm going to be planning using a bunch of sticker books and trying to plan every detail of my life in one planner, meaning within 1 weekly planner. Usually I do Frankenplan and I have everything kind of split up into different planners, but this week I am not doing that. So I'm going to be using some half sheets and also some sticker books. You see I'm pulling out the half sheets from the back of my planner, and now I'm going to be just setting everything up. So the first thing that I'm going to do is put down at the bottom here my workout schedule for the week. This changes from week to week based on what I have going on, but I do like these workout boxes from the fitness book. And I'm also going to keep on the sidebar here my weight. I'm trying to get a little bit more active and conscious about my health in this season. So I'm using some stickers from the Rainbow Sticker Book and just putting down a couple of things that I have going on this week. This week's theme is red, yellow, and a little bit of black and gold. So that's pretty much the theme that I have going on. Those Instagram stickers are from my own shop. And the majority of the other stickers are either from Sweet Bean Plans or the Happy Planner themselves. So the next thing I'm doing is putting down some half boxes. These boxes are from the Colorful Boxes sticker book, and that's the first Colorful Boxes sticker book from Happy Planner. And I'm going to use these to actually mark down my YouTube schedule for the week as far as what I'm going to be uploading throughout from Tuesday to Sunday. I don't post on Mondays, but every other day of the week I do post, and those YouTube stickers are from my own shop. So now that my week is already decorated, I'm going to be adding in some half sheets. The first half sheet that I'm going to be completing is for my weekly meal plan. I added these little stickers from Sweet Bean Plans and realized that I wanted them next to the days instead of underneath, so I'm just going back and switching them out. That's all the decorating that I'm basically going to be doing on there. Added a sticker on Sunday because we eat out on Sundays. The next half sheet that I'm going to be using is this one, and it's going to be for my business planning. I usually put on this half sheet my orders and my supplies that I need for the upcoming week, and these stickers are from my personal shop. On the back, I'm just going to decorate my weekly reset list. It's a list of 10 things that I do every single week. And on the last half sheet is going to be things that I keep track of for work. So it's just things that I need to make sure that I do. Adding all of this in, and now I'm going to go in with my pen and write out the different things that I have coming up this week. The first thing is I have a WBOK radio show interview, and that's going to be Monday morning. After that, I have staff meeting. I am planning on posting a video to Instagram, and then I have a nonprofit meeting that evening. This week's book is You're a Badass at Making Money, and then I'm writing in all of my videos for the week. This is just kind of like an outline of what I plan on doing this week. I'm also posting a blog on Tuesday. I clean on Saturdays. It's kind of routine, but I love to write it in. It's kind of therapeutic for me, even though it's the same thing for the most part every single week. I'm going to have to add another sticker because I forgot about an event that I have this upcoming Friday. So I just wrote that in along with making sure that I do my weekly reset routine and do some designing. Now I'm just going to add in my orders for this upcoming week, and these are just the orders for my invitation shop and not my sticker shop. I will probably add those in later on today. So now I'm just going to write in my weekly reset routine. If you haven't seen this video, I will link it above, but it's 10 things that I complete every Sunday in order to stay on track and productive. So that's it for this weekly plan with me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and if you like this style of me kind of walking you through my entire week and how I am planning it, make sure that you like this video so that I know you want to see more of this kind of video in the future. And I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram for more pictures, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to y'all later.